Hi guys, let's work some of the homework problems in case you're having any troubles with those. What is 65% of 40? We are literally going to translate this. What is 65% of 40? Okay, is equals of times. What is a variable, right? So x equals 0.65 times 40. 0.65 times 40 is 26. X equals 26. 21 is what percent of 60? Literally, translate these exactly in the order you see them, and then solve the algebra. 21 divided by 60. I love algebra for this. 0.35 equals x. And then it says what percent, so just say 35%. Okay? Fill in the blank to write the new price in terms of the original price. A car dealership decreased. So it went down by 11%. The original price was $49,200. If the price goes down by 11% discount, you pay whatever 100 minus 11 is. So you're going to pay 89% of the price. Okay, so we're going to be multiplying this times 0.89 to get our new price. So 0.89 would go here. Use your answer to get the new price. 49,200 times 0.89 is 43,788. That's your new price. Okay. Keep thinking about what you're actually paying, depending on what it's asking you. Okay, last year Donna opened an investment account with $7,200. At the end of the year, the amount in the account had increased, so it's going to go up from there by 6.5%. How much is this increase in dollars, and how much money was in her account at the end of the year? Okay, so if it's increasing by 6.5%, that is 0.065. We always move that decimal 2 spaces to get rid of the percent sign. And if we don't want to just calculate the interest, if we want to calculate this amount plus the interest, we can multiply by 1.065. So this is sort of like 106.5, right? Percent. So she still has her $7,200, and I'm not sure it makes sense to explain it like that, but the 1 accounts for the $7,200, and then here is your interest. So let's multiply that. 7,200 times 1.065, $7,668 in her account at the end of the year. So the increase in amount, how much was this increase in dollars? Oh, we actually probably do need to multiply by just this amount to find out what the increase was in dollars, or we could take this amount and subtract the 7,200. We go minus 7,200. We know that that was $468, and the year-end amount is $7,668. 68, and this was 7,668. Check. All right. An item regularly priced at $79 is now priced at a discount of 0.85 off their regular price. That's a humongous discount. And so remember, we're going to do 100 and subtract that. And we know that we're only going to pay 15%. So we're going to do 79 times 0.15. That's a really, really great deal. 79 times 0.15 is $11.85 for something That used to be $79. That's a huge discount. I don't even know what it is, and I get excited thinking about getting that much savings. All right, camera has a listed price of $607.95 before tax. If the sales tax is 7.5%, find the total cost of the camera. So we're going to take this original price and we're going to times by, if we times by this number, 0.075, we will figure out what the tax is. But if we times by 1.075, we're going to get the amount and the tax as well. And that would be 653.54. We're not going to round up on this one. 653.54. 653.54. Check. Oh, I got it wrong. If the camera listed a price of $607.95 before tax, if the tax rate is this, find the total cost of the camera with the sales tax. 653.5. Oh, I needed to round up. Dang it. Because it was 546. And so I needed to go to 5.5. And so let's try that again. There we go. All right, Anna's looking for the best deal. So she can go to a pro shop, and the pro shop marks up the wholesale price 10%. The pro shop gets them from a distributor, marks up the wholesale price 10%. Then the pro shop marks them up by an additional 60%, ignoring the tax. How much would she pay? Wholesale price is $339. So let's figure out $339 times a markup here. First, for 10%, we're going to multiply it by that 10%, but we also are just going to account for the $339. So we have $339 times 1.10 is 372.9, and then it's going to mark it up 60 more percent. So we're going to go times 1.60, and we have $596.64. Okay, that's this price. And then she can also go to a direct-to-customer thing, and this gets marked up by 70%, and we're going to ignore the tax. And so we're going to do 339 times 1.70. 339 times 1.7 gives me 576.30. And so it's actually a better deal to go to the direct to customer right there. And yes. A suit is on sale for $272, which is 36% less than the regular price. What is the regular price? Okay, so we had a regular price, and it was discounted. It goes down to $272 when we're done discounting, and the price was X. And we're going to need to multiply that by, it's 36% less than the regular price. So we actually are paying the other part of that, which is 100 minus 36, which is 64. So we're going to times it by 64%, do the algebra, divide by 0.64, 272 divided by 0.64. It's tricky. You got to find that part that you pay, not just the discount. The regular price, does that make sense? That it was $425. It's on sale, 36% less. You're actually paying 64% of that, which happens to be $272. So the original price is $425. Let's check that. $425. Check. Okay. Price of an item has dropped to 66 today. So we're going down. So we're going to take yesterday, the original price. Whoa, that's weird. Original price, 120, minus today's price, divided by the original price. And is that going to make sense? We should be getting a drop. That does not make sense. So ask yourself, and then that'll tell you, did you put it in the right order? I need to get a negative if it's a drop. So 66 minus 120 gives me a negative number, negative 54. Divided by 120 gives me negative 0.45. Don't put the negative in your answer. That's just confirmation that's going down by 45%. And one more of these. I don't know what's going on with the blue stuff. The price of a notebook was $350 yesterday. The price rose to $375. So I know that I need to get a positive number because it's going up. And so I'm going to have today's price, new, minus the original, divided by the original. 3.75 minus 3.5 divided by 350 gives me 0.0714. We're looking for a percent. We want to round it at the tenths. This is 7.14. We're going to keep it at 7.1.